Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Next we have an update on powergrid. Analyst maintains buy on the company with an unchanged price target of Rs 350. Company has delivered weak results in the last few quarters due to slow capitalization. Company is expected to deliver good growth going forward as the management has a strong capex capitalization guidance of rupees 23,000 and 18,000 crores in FY25. For FY26 and 27, the capex guidance is of rupees 28,000 to 30,000 crores and the capitalization guidance is of rupees 25,000 to 35,000 crores respectively. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.